Hi, I'm Isabel.
And I'm James.
This is Thomas.
This is Elizabeth.
And this is Annabelle. Welcome back to our disaster property. Let's go inside and check it out.
Yeah, let's go see these problems.
Here we are inside Bessemer. It looks gorgeous compared with what we saw last time. It has these beautiful vaulted ceilings, but at what cost? Normally, we thought I would have the vaulted ceilings in the master bedroom, but our architect understood that they should be here, and that cost us about I believe about $100,000 increase in the budget and months of waiting for the plans to be approved. And that's not all of it. That was just a reminder of what happened. Because we had to put vaulted ceilings, now we have to put sprinklers. That's another $7,000. But that's not the problem. The problem is that you need water pressure. So the water meter has to be upgraded at the street. And in order to upgrade the water meter at the street, you need to upgrade the water line in the street. That takes about 60 days for the fees to be generated. And then another 100 days for the team to come and cut the street and upgrade the line. So what's that, like 6 other months, 6 more months? It's insane. I have a smile on my face, but I'm not smiling inside. Leaving that aside, it's gonna be beautiful. The kitchen with open shelves is right here. We'll have island with nice pendant lights. They're already hooked up. And over there, the dining room area and the living room. I'm proud of this property. It's gonna turn out very beautiful, even with all the problems. Right over here, we have the bedroom that remained mildly untouched. It's the only part of the house that didn't suffer much change. Everything else has completely been torn down or added. Right over here is a new bathroom that's gonna serve the 2 bedrooms. And this way, we have the second bedroom, which is very, very little part of the old house. This line right here shows where we extended the property. And this is the second bedroom, mostly part of the extension. Right over here, I think I can still squeeze, even if I have Annabelle. I did. And we have a gigantic laundry room. I'm not a fan of it, but James really likes it, and he says it's a very good selling point, so I'm gonna go with it. Right over here, we have, to the left, gigantic again, a master closet, and to my right, the master bathroom. 2 sinks again. And as we walk this way, the big master bedroom, again with sliding doors to the yard, which is our signature. Here we are outside. We wrapped the house really fast, both the main house and the ADU, put the windows in and the doors because we didn't want to deal with the theft situation we had at Denny. And it's ready for stucco, our signature bright white with black trim. And right over here we have what it is, an electrical pole, a temporary electrical pole, where we have a temporary our meter set up because we demoed the part of the house that held the electric meter, and the electrical company has us put it in a separate location on this gigantic pole. I have a little story about this again. A neighbor didn't like where we put it temporarily and called the electrical company to shut us down and have this installed. It's pretty ugly, but it's gonna go away. Let's go inside the ADU and check it out. And here I am walking through an actual door. The walls have been closed and we have a door. The electric and plumbing is all complete in the kitchen. This is going to be the kitchen area, pretty large for a guest house. And right over there, the living space and the bedroom. And this is a very sizable bathroom. Thank you for watching us. Hopefully next time we won't have as many disasters happen again. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, YouTube, and
I'm not getting surprises anymore.
You are getting surprises, so many, especially because you're such a good boy. Did you hear that? No more bad surprises. Bye.